the businessmen have not come forward. Yes, in the past there were certain reports of this kind of extortion notes being served by HNLC, especially through electronic means in the form of WhatsApp messages, etc. So wherever it has been reported, we have registered cases also, and we have taken some steps in such a matter also, wherein investigation is on, and a few people have also been arrested in such cases. I will not say stop, but I will say that it has definitely come down. Like I said, we have taken some action. We have arrested a few of these people who are alleged to have been involved in such cases. Probably, I think that has maybe hit them hard because now they know that most when people get this kind of demand notes also, most of the time some of the people are also reporting to the police, and we are taking action. So they know that police is taking adequate action. That is one thing. The second thing is, I believe that overgrown workers are reluctant to help them out because they know that whenever they have served this kind of demand notes, some of these people have been arrested by the police. So that I think they are not getting their cadres to serve this kind of demand notes. Some so-called demand notes have been received in some of the shops, business establishments. However, unfortunately, this we have come to know through our sources. It has not been, our formal complaint has not been filed in this regard. So we are investigating into it. Prima facie, it seems that this so-called demand notes, it shows the receipt of different NGOs. So we are investigating into it, and I believe the SP East Khasias has already taken some steps in this matter, and this matter is being investigated, and we will get to the root of this matter. See, it is a serious matter, and since when that I will not be able to say, because unfortunately, like I said, this kind of events or this kind of crimes so has not been reported to the police. Even now, like I said, we came to know through some of our sources, so through our unofficial channels. So officially, no FIR has been filed, and the SP has already made a statement that this kind of cases, whenever it is reported, it should be brought to the notice of the police, and the concerned person should file an FIR in this regard. Unfortunately, this kind of FIRs are not coming. Now, in the absence of an FIR, yes, we can investigate into this matter, but without any legal sanction, it becomes difficult for us to prove a case in the courts when we don't have willing witnesses to come forward and testify in such cases. Then our cases fall flat. So that is the problem that as the police department we face. So here I would also like to reiterate what SP East Kasi has already said, that wherever such cases are found or reported, they should file a proper complaint to the police so that we can take up a proper case against these people, and we can necessary legal action can be taken against these people.